Myself, Mrs. Subi Basil. Topic: Orthopedic Devices. Part 3. Cane. Cane is a handheld ambulation device made of wood or aluminium. It is made of wood or aluminium and it is used as a handheld ambulation. Advantages: first, improves balance and postural stability. It helps to improve the balance and postural stability. Second, reduce knee pain in osteoarthritis patient. It will help to reduce the pain in knees of the osteoarthritic patient. Third, reduce forces on hip while walking. It helps to reduce the force on hip while walking. Fourth, need only minimal support. It needs only minimal support. Fifth, improves balance. It helps to improve balance. Sixth, provide wide base of support. It has a wide base support. Seventh, reduce forces acting on the joints of the affected lower extremity. It helps to reduce the force on the affected extremity. Eighth, assist in the distribution of weight. It helps to distribute the weight, means both legs control the equal weight. Ninth, it is the simplest and most basic type of supportive gait device. It is the simplest and most supportive device. Types: first, straight legged. Second, tripod or crab cane, otherwise 3 feet. Third, quad cane, otherwise 4 feet. First, straight legged cane. Single point or straight cane. It is also called single point or straight cane. Made of wood or acrylic. It is made by wood or acrylic, that means it is a chemical compound. Has half circle or T-shaped handle. It has a half circle or T-shaped handle. Inexpensive. Price is low. Can fix anywhere. It can fix anywhere. It is a straight legged cane and we can see a half circle handle. Advantages of straight legged cane: it is easily adjustable, inexpensive, lightweight, and it can fit easily on stairs. Disadvantages of straight legged cane: decreased stability, may lead to wrist, elbow and shoulder injury. There is a chance of wrist, elbow and shoulder injury. Second, tripods, otherwise 3-legged cane. Made of aluminium, alloy or steel. 3 rubber-tipped legs at corner of an equilateral triangle. That means it has 3 rubber-tipped legs at corner of the equilateral triangle. This is a tripod cane and we can see 3 legs with hand grip. Advantages of tripod cane: it has multiple legs, more support than straight legged cane, capable of bearing more of a patient's weight. That means it can balance more of a patient weight. It is usually using osteoarthritic and hemiplegia patient. Disadvantages of tripod cane: first, may not be useful on stairs. It cannot able to use on stairs. Second, heavier than a standard cane. It is heavier than a standard cane. Third, costlier than straight legged cane. It is costlier than straight legged cane. Third, quad cane. otherwise 4 feet. It is made of aluminum, alloy or steel, and it has 4 rubber tipped legs. This is quad cane, otherwise 4 feet. That means 4 legs. So from this picture we can understand that it can't accommodate on stairs because has 4 legs. Advantages of quad cane. First, it is more stable. Second, it is easily adjustable. Third, hand grip height is good. Fourth, provides broad base. Fifth, each point is covered with a rubber tip, so we can prevent slipping. Disadvantages of quad cane. First, pressure exerted on handle may not be centered, cause instability. Second, may not be useful on stairs. Third, slower gait pattern. Fourth, heavier than a standard cane. Fifth, costlier than all other canes. Proper use of cane. First, place the cane in the hand that is opposite the affected lower extremity. That means hold the cane in the hand which is not affected. Second, begin by moving the cane and the opposite lower limb affected simultaneously. That means cane and the affected limb should be moved simultaneously. Third, follow a reciprocal gait pattern. Holding the cane in the hand opposite the injury replicates the natural arm movement and allows the hand an opportunity to absorb some weight while walking. That means when we hold the cane by the affected hand, body's weight is controlled by the hand which is not affected and also by the cane. Fourth, take full and even length steps with each leg. Do not take half step. That means by holding the cane, the patient can take full length steps. Do not take half step. Fifth, when using a quad cane, walk with the flat side of the base next to the body to avoid tripping over the two outwards extended legs. That means when using quad cane, all the 4 legs of the quad cane should be properly fixed on the floor to avoid any miscontrol. Walking with cane. First, cane tips should have rubber caps to prevent slipping. Tip is covered with rubber cap to avoid slipping. The standard cane is 91 cm long. It has 91 cm long. Move the cane and weak leg forward at the same time while the weight is borne by the stronger leg. Move weak leg and cane together so that the body weight is controlled by stronger leg. Next, move the stronger leg forward while the weight is borne by the cane and the weak leg. Move stronger leg forward. At that time, body weight is controlled by cane and the weak leg together. Next, hold the cane with the hand on the stronger side of the body to provide maximum support, and when walking, the cane should hold on the stronger side of the body so that it provides maximum support.